from Group D would like to present our project. My name is AHMAD bin SHAMSOL Bahari. Now I'm gonna talk about introduction. Based on the discussion in the team, it is decided to choose the water pump manufacturing to comply with this project. To sustain the mind of the team, we identify the pros and cons to help the company to gain income. Water pump manufacturing also allows for learning more about business culture and organization. For this project is more into aluminium casting that focus based on the customer order, which is water pump for vehicle kancil with engine 850cc. For the water pump, the company only offers the engine 850cc kancil vehicle water pump and only fabricates it following the specification provided by the customer. So there are specific steps that must be followed during manufacturing. First, the housing and turbine use casting and the milling for the sharp part is done. To make a water pump as well, the material used is aluminium casting, which is an aluminium easy to form by using the molding system. Maintaining this way, it is very easy to manufacture the product. And there are many more advantages of using these aluminium materials. The order of water pump that have been ordered by the customer for each month is 100 units of engine water pump for vehicle kancil engine 850cc. Okay, for key task list, planning and design, we start followed by step, which is the first one is planning. Duration is 1 day, and for design is 2 day, and material order a 4 day, and sand casting order 2 day, aluminum casting 4 day, and bearing is 2 day. For manufacturing process, manufacturing water pump housing is a 2 day duration. Manufacturing water pump turbine is 2 duration. Manufacturing water pump shaft is 3 day duration. And finishing process is 2 day duration, and assembly process a 3 day duration. For quality control, weight inspection, weight inspection, laser inspection, quality inspection, and safety verification is a 2 day duration. For shipment, accepting customer order, 1 day duration, and delivery to customer 3 day duration.
Hello, my name is MOHAMMAD bin ZAIDEE. I will continue this present. And the first goals, want to create and add other car parts, model type product like main radiator. And second, want to open more branch. And third goals, want to improve product or service quality. Objective, we are objective to provide better engine temperature performance. Second, want to provide a product that can last a long time. And third, we attracting and retaining customer. And we go to flowchart. And the first, D1 go to planning and design, like A1 to A2, A3, and next go to manufacturing process. The first, B1, B2, and B3 all in to B4 and go through B5. And the last, we go to quality control C1, C2, C3 and C4. And lastly, go to shipment D2. Operation Breakdown Structure OBS. The first main in this project, we have project manager, and go through to first design team. Design team has under worker like team leader and designer 1 and designer 2, and go through manufacturing team. Under manufacturing team has water pump housing group leader, water pump turbine group leader, and water pump shaft group leader. And then lastly, QC team. QC team have QC after assemble and QC finishing process project.
Hello, my name is NAZREEN and I will continue our presentation with procurement management. Procurement management is defined as a subset of project management that includes the process required to acquire goods and service to attain project scope from outside the performing organization. Based on our project, the table of procurement details, manufacturing water pump housing have arrived early 1 day before the required time. Meanwhile, manufacturing water pump shaft have been delayed for 3 days after the required date. This is because the company that the material we order have arrived late. This will cause the finish time of all the manufacturing of water pump will be delayed for 3 days or more. Having the right goods and service available at the right time is critical to success of many projects. It is important to understand, however, the right time means neither too late or too early. If the good and service arrive late, project activities may have to start late. This might be accommodated either by adjusting the project schedule to reflect the start late or using more resource to complete the activities on time. On the other hand, early arrival of goods and service might have implication for cash flow, increased storage space requirement and cost, and leading to increased risk of damage prior to use. To fix this problem or risk, before we start the project, the order must be placed on time, taking full account of the agreed lead time and the start date of the activity concerned. The order must then be progressed to ensure that goods and service are available when and where they are required. This process generally referred to as progress chasing or expediting. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is CLEONARDO and I will continue my present after my group mate. And my presentation is about the Gantt chart. In Gantt chart is to help a team to plan work around the deadlines and properly allocate the resources. Project planner also use this Gantt chart to maintain bird's-eye view of the project. They decide among the things and relation between the start and the end of the task, milestone, and dependent tasks. In our project, as you already see, this is the Gantt chart of our project. In here, you can see around the D1, A1 is already in smooth progress. Then A2, A3.1, A3.2, and A3.3 is also no change. But in the B1, here in B1 we the item arrive early, so the project can start first. Then we need to relocate after that. So in here is before the Gantt chart is applied to smoothing. The yellow part is about the floating. Then the B2 is no change, and but the B3 is there is a change in there. Here you can see that the red bar is the overdue of our project. It means that the project is have a problem or something like that in the B3. So here we need to reschedule the Gantt chart and to apply smoothing inside the Gantt charts. In the second slide, this is the apply Gantt chart. Here the smoothing is already applied, and the Gantt chart of the section of the B1 and B3 is already applied smoothing, and everything is already moved smoothly. For the other B5, B4 and B5 is progress okay, but we need to reschedule, then we need to extend the deadline. So the deadline we arrive is around the 1 of 2 February. So this is the smoothing applied, and everything is already going smooth.